20 to 8. I ate really early and now I'm really bored. We had a good 2-hour revision lectures. The first one I was really happy with because none of the questions were too hard, and she was like, that's what you should expect in the exam, so I was like, ka-ching. The other one, mechanics, wasn't so fun. Yeah, still kind of struggling on that one. But I'll push through it. I just need to start my maths revision and then that'll make me happy. I'm always talking about work. The sky is so weird. It's raining. It's raining, as you can tell by the big black clouds and the slight movement. But then it's also really sunny. But like sunsetty sunny. So all I can see is just grey, but apparently like the other side, it's just really sunny. It was like that this morning. It was cloudy over the city, and then like there was just a patch of sunlight here. So when I opened my windows, it was like super bright. So I was like, ah, sunglasses weather. I'll take them. And then as soon as I walk out my flat, it starts raining, and I'm like, you're kidding me.
I can't tell when you're recording anymore. I don't like it. Are you recording? Why are you holding it like that then? Mark, I don't get this. One, you just dribbled. Secondly, this is your vlog, okay? Your vlog.
I get bored with editing, just me.
You're meant to be on this vlog, not me. I don't do a vlog. I don't vlog.
I don't think you got Sam, he's lower down.
Fight the bear. You'd be surprised
I think it's quite well making face drinks. Not alcoholic beer out. The worst.
Oh wow, I have massive hiccups now. So we just went down to the West End because it was like 9:30 and I hadn't started work, so I was like, well, I'm not going to get any done now. So we just went, and it was actually really good. And we did a lot of talking. It was really interesting. I was talking to Duncan about like so much stuff. And it was actually kind of stuff that like I know about. So it was kind of, I had actual things to say for once. But I'm so tired now. Like, the problem with West End is it's really good when you're there, but it just takes so long to get there and so long to get back. I really want to go to bed now. So I'm going to just do the song of the day and then I'll say goodbye. My hiccups really hurt. So this is Shot Yourself in the Foot by example. And this is the song of the day for today because I had changed the way you kiss me. And I remembered how good this song was. It's kind of dubstep, but mostly just kind of electronic kind of stuff. But it's a really good song. I really like the video as well. Let's definitely check that one out. I'll put a link to my playlist of all the songs today here. And I will see you tomorrow because it's 5 to 1 and I need to go to bed. So I'll see you later.